It's Rick. I'm back with another video for Pixi Dust Designs. Today we're going to be using the Girl Wizard mug die set that just came out, along with the Magic World pattern paper, which also just came out, to make a cute little card. So I'm going to start with my card base, and I've already cut out all my parts and pieces from various colors of cardstocks. I've got a little panel of our pattern paper. We're going to use that down at the bottom. So we can go ahead and attach that. So we will just attach this. And then I will add that. It's cut at 4 1/4 by, I think it's 2 1/2, 2 3/4. So there's our card base. We're going to set that to the side for a minute, and we're going to work on our little wizard. So we've got our little mug right there, and the eyes are 3 different layers. You have your eye ball, the eyelashes, and we have our white of our eyes, and there's a few parts to her hair as well. So we will layer up our eyes first. We're going to take our little white part of our eyes, and that'll get layered right there because we want her eyelashes going up. There's those. We can take our pupils, and we can add little dots of liquid glue behind those. And we want the center, the little part of the little hole, we want that towards the top of each of our eyes. So we will add dots behind this one. And then we can add that eye on. And then we can go ahead and add, we'll save those for in just a minute. We'll do her hair first. So the hair is 4 different pieces, or 3 different pieces. You have the large base layer of the hair, a layering piece, and then a piece that layers underneath for her little bangs. So we're going to layer our layering piece first. So we'll add liquid glue to that. And then there are etched lines on the die cut where you know where to put it. You want it to go right there, and this sweeps on the outside edge, just like that. Then for the bangs, we're just going to add a little, flip this over, we'll add a little liquid glue behind there. And then we can line that up right in her little bangs, just like so. If we can get that lined up right, there is a little line right there to line it up, her little part. And you could use a little bit darker color cardstock right there if you want to, or add a little ink, either one. We've got our handle to our mug, so we will layer those pieces up. We'll just add little dots of liquid glue around the mug. And we'll add that on. And I see her little mouth right there. So while that came out, we'll go ahead and add a couple dots of liquid glue. We can pop her little lips in place. And we will add our handle to our mug. So we will add liquid glue behind that. And then we will line that up, her little handle. So you could totally change the cardstock you use and the color of her hair to create your own, whatever you want, whichever house you want to do, and create their colors for that house. We've got our little scarf. We're going to add our layering piece on. So we'll add liquid glue, just tiny little dots there. We'll layer these together and they just line up equally. And then on the mug, you have this little tiny etch line where that will go. So we're just going to add liquid glue along there. We will add our little scarf onto our little mug. And then we can layer on her hair. So we're just going to add liquid glue right around the edge. And layer that on. There is a little, in the die set, there is a little circle right there. That's for like hot cocoa or coffee, whatever you're going to use. I chose not to put it on there today, but you could put it on here and put it like right through the top. I'm choosing to keep it, to not put that on. Then we have our eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and do those first. So we'll just add little dots of liquid glue. And I can pick up each of my little eyebrows. And I can pop those into place. Need to get it turned around right. Then we will do our eyes. I'll just pick those up, add liquid glue behind. Add it to that eye. We'll add this eye. All right, so I'm going to set that to the side. We've got our wand as well, and that is a layering piece. So I cut it from 2 different colors of brown cardstock. And we're going to add tiny dots of liquid glue along this decorative edge of this wand, so we can layer it up to our base layer of our wand. We're going to come about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch down from the top of our wand and line that up and put this into place. There's our decorative little wand all ready to go. Now, in the stamps, in the die set, you also have a sentiment. It says, "You bewitched me." So this would be great for Valentine's Day. We're going to stamp that onto our card front. So I'm going to pull in my stamp positioning tool, pull in our card base, and then I'm going to stamp that right up there. So I'll line that up. I can remove my mug now. I'm going to stamp it using VersaFine Clair ink because it's a nice ink for sentiments. So we're going to stamp that. I'll remove my card front from my Misty. All right, I went ahead and added foam tape behind our little mug, our girl wizard mug. So I'm going to peel those backings off. And then I will add a little liquid glue to our foam adhesive for the thin strips on the handle. I took the backing off first and moved them around the shape of the handle. So we're going to put our mug right in there. And then I'm going to take my little wand and we will add liquid glue behind it. And we will pop this right there on that side. And now I'm going to add some white highlights. So I've got my Posca white paint marker. This is the extra fine tip. I'm going to add some highlights to her little hair on both sides to give her a little bit of life. We'll add some right here. I'm just kind of going around the shape of her hairline to give it a little bit of highlighting. And They don't have to be all the same. They don't have to be perfect. We're going to add a little highlight to her face. I'm going to add in a little bit of highlighting in that scarf. And some right there. We'll add a little bit on there, and then a little bit on our wand as well. Then I like to add just a little bit more highlighting into their eyes. All right, my friends, there is our quick and easy You Bewitched Me Girl Wizard mug card. Here's a closer look at our card that we made together. If you need any of the supplies that you have seen used today, I will have them all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.